How to fix a display randomly getting black screen in Windows? Step 1. Check the display cable. Turn off the PC and monitor. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or display port cable. Reconnect in different port. If it's not working means move on with next step. Step 2. Restart the graphics drivers. Press Windows Ctrl Shift plus B key. The screen should blinking. You may hear the beep sound also. Like this it will blink. So after blinking you can check it. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Install latest graphic drivers. Search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters and check the display adapters which adapters you are using. So depends on the device, it may vary, so you can check it. After, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on your device. Depends on your device, you can download and install it and click monitor and update the drive. Once update complete, after one more time right click it and click scan for hardware changes. After completing, close it and move on with next step. Lower the refresh rate. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Click advanced display. Scroll down, click it, and you have seen change your refresh rate is that. You can set it as 60 Hz or 120 Hz. If you have only 60 means you can set it as 60. Some of them have 120, so it depends on them. You can set it as 60 or 120. It depends on you. After click keep changes and move on with next step. Close it. Search for CMD. Right click run as administrative and type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. It's nothing but it's actually verifying the files in your device. Is there any corrupted file having or not? It will shows here. If corrupted file having means it will remove that corrupted file and also shows which location have that file. All the details will show here. Once completing the 100% after, it will shows. If there is no corrupted file having means it will not shows anything. So it will shows only the message like did not find any internet violations. So after that you need to exit it and move on with next step. Check Windows Event Viewer. For this, search for Event Viewer. Click it. Click Windows Log. Click Systems. The Windows Log you have seen the systems under. Click it. Look for event or warning message at the time the screen went black. Check the information while the screen went black. That time what type of error will occur, you can check here. Depends on that we can work on it. So this is how to fix. So thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned. Thank you.